Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about BPtr, which stands for back post treble. Now back post stitches are textured stitches, so if you can see in the video here, some stitches are up above and some stitches are pushed back, so you kind of get that like rib effect. Treble stitches are very long, so I wouldn't recommend this exactly for a rib substitute. However, it's just a demonstration of how to work the stitch. To work a back post, post implies the post of the stitch. Normally you go through the two loops, but instead with a post stitch, you work around the post of a stitch. So to make a back post, that is a treble stitch, yarn over twice from the back to the front between the previous stitch and your stitch that you're working, and then back again to the back between the stitch that you're working and the next stitch, yarn over and bring all of that up. And as a normal regular treble crochet, you have 4 stitches on your hook, and then you just complete it as usual. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And so we have the stitch pushed back. Next stitch I'm going to do is just a regular treble. And then again, I'm going to do a back post treble. So yarn over twice on the hook from the back to the front, from the front to the back, yarn over, pull all of that back up, 4 stitches on hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And that is how you make a back post treble.